Alright, so welcome to JCF Expo 2.0. I am Detective Constable Deere, Sergeant Salman, and we're from the CTAC Stolen Motor Vehicle Unit. So today, those who don't know, they're going to know as it relates to stolen motor vehicle and what to do and what not to do to safeguard the vehicle. Now, as you can see on the table here, there are a lot of devices. Some persons will know, some won't know. And it is as simple as purchasing something like this on Amazon. And this device will cause you to lose a vehicle. This is an RTL device, right? And this is used to program a key. It comes in two parts. One that goes onto the computer and one that programs the key, and they'll drive away the car as if it is their own. This device is used to check if there are any tracker or any ear tags or anything in the vehicle. So they'll use this to do a brief check of the vehicle, find your tracker and remove it, and then go with the vehicle. This device, again, purchased on Amazon, is used to break the windshield. And they get in your car, they do whatever they need to do, and they're gone with the car. All they have to do is press it down, it snaps, they break the windshield, and they gain access to your vehicle, and they do whatever they want to do with it. As relates to entering your car, there are a lot of devices they can use, and a lot of creative ways. This wrench, in most cases, it's used to break the glass and to break the key barrel. So those who have a key barrel like this, all they need is a wrench, they break the key barrel, they hotwire the car and they're gone with it. As simple as it can get, a screwdriver. They use to prise the door, they get in, they prise the key barrel again, and them gone with the car. There are no car alone not safe. So all of the people who have the big beasts them and feel as if it is safe, it is not safe. And if you're in and around Kingston today, feel free to come by the Expo at the National Arena. And if you don't know, you're definitely going to know.